Hello friends, welcome to Learners Forum. So this video is about the next topic, which is Excess-3 code addition. So we can learn how to perform addition for Excess-3 code now. Let us solve an example. Given is 3 plus 2, that is decimal number. So first 2 and 3 has to be written in 8421 code. So first, to write the value of 2 and 3, we can use this 8421 technique. So 0010. So under the value of 2, we will get the value as 1, because only then we will get the equivalent value as 2. So this is how we have to represent. Next for 3, we can write it as 2 plus 1. So under 2 and 1, we will have the binary 1 remaining 0. So 0011. Now we have to perform excess-3 operation for the given numbers. So for given value of 2 and 3, we have to add 3 to the particular value. So for 2, it is plus 3 means 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have to express 5 using this 8421 technique now. So 5 is 4 plus 1. So we will get the value as 0101. And next for the other bit, 3 plus 3 will be 6. So the 6 value can be represented as 4 plus 2. So 0110 will be the equivalent value. Now we can perform addition for these both numbers. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. Again 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. So 1011 will be the value. Now if we consider the value of 8421 for 1011, it will be equivalent to 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. But the value of 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And after performing excess value, we can take it as 3 plus 3 is 6 for the other number. So 6 plus 5 is 11, which is exceeding. But 2 plus 3 is 5. And if you take excess-3 addition, 5 plus 3 will be just 8. But we have got the value as 11, which means we have to reduce the 11 by doing subtraction minus 3. Only then we will get the required answer. So here 1011 is 11. So here we have to subtract 3 from this given value. 3 can be represented as 0011. So doing the subtraction 0001. So 1000 means 8 will be represented, which means we have got the answer. So this is the procedure to perform excess-3 code addition. So initially, if we are adding 3 and 3, it means it is getting the value of 11. So to get a single value of excess-3 addition, we have to remove the excess-3 by doing minus 3 at the final step. So that is why we are taking minus 3 over here. Only then we will get the answer that is equivalent to the first step, which is 2 plus 3 is 5, and after adding 3 we will get it as 8. So first we have to add the value of 3 to the given numbers after representing it in 8421 technique to get the equal excess-3. Now we have to add the 2 bits. After adding this excess-3, we will get the resultant 1, and to this we have to subtract the excess-3 value. So we have to minus 3 from the given value. We will get the required answer at the final step now. So this is the procedure to perform excess-3 code addition. Now let us solve one more example. Given us 35 plus 25. So 35 has 2 digits. Let us represent each digit now using 8421 0011 for 3 0101, and for 25 for 2 it is 0010, and for 5 it is again 0101. Now we have to add the excess-3 for each bits now. So first adding 3 to 3 over here, 3 plus 3 will be 6. So we have to represent 6 using 8421, which is 0110. Next for 5, 5 plus 3 will be 8. So we have to represent 8 in 8421, which is 1000. Next again for 25, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the representation of 5 is 0101. And next is again 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. The value of 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. Now we have to add these two bits now. So 0, 0, 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. Again 0. Carry 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 0. 4 zeros will be the answer after performing addition now. So the value is 1100 means under 8421 the equivalent value we have got it as 12 and the other value is 0. Now let us check it for the original bits. 35 plus 25 will be 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0. Carry 3 plus 2 plus 1, so 6. 60 will be the answer. So if we take Excess-3, here it will be 0 and for 6 it will be 9. So we should have got the value of 93 but we have got it as 12 and 0. So we have to make this value as 9, which means we have to remove the value of minus 3 and we have to add the value as 3 over here. Only then we will get it as 93. So carry is equal to 1 means we have to add plus 3 and whenever carry is equal to 0 we have to subtract the value of 3. So this is the condition. So here we have got the carry as 1 which means we have to add 3. The value of 3 under 8421 is 0011. Next here we have got the carry as 0 which means we have to subtract the value of 3. So 0011 we have to perform subtraction over here. Now let us do the operations. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 0 and 0. Next here we have to do binary subtraction. So we have to borrow now. So it is 2. Here it will be 2, again 1, again 0. So 1, 2 minus 1 will be 1, 0, 0, 1. So binary subtraction we have done already. You can refer that video also. 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3 and 1, 0, 0, 1 is 9. Now we have got the equivalent answer 93. So this is the procedure to perform excess-3 code addition. So whenever carry value is 1, we have to add 3 and for carry 0, we have to subtract the value as 3.